Contra review. Do they offer real freelance jobs with 0% fees? Today I'm going to show you whether they really do. Contra is a platform designed for independent professionals who want to work with clients without worrying about service fees or commissions. Unlike most freelance websites where a portion of your earnings is automatically deducted, Contra lets you keep 100% of what you earn. It's built around the idea of empowering freelancers to build their careers freely while still providing the tools needed to find clients, manage projects, and get paid securely. Creating an account on Contra is simple. You start by signing up with your email or Google account, then build your profile like a digital portfolio. You can showcase your skills, experience, and previous work, not just as a list, but in a visual and organized way that highlights your strengths. Instead of bidding on projects, Contra focuses on building professional connections. Clients can directly reach out to you based on your profile, or you can browse opportunities posted by verified companies. This approach removes the pressure of competing with hundreds of applicants and shifts the focus toward quality collaborations. One of the biggest highlights is their 0% commission policy. When you complete a project, you get paid in full. Payments are processed securely through Stripe, so you can receive funds directly to your bank account. You can set your own rates, send proposals, and even manage invoices within the platform. The dashboard makes it easy to track ongoing projects and communication, helping you stay organized without switching between different apps. Contra also has a feature called the network, which works like a professional community. You can follow other freelancers, recommend them to clients, or collaborate on joint projects. This network driven model encourages trust and referrals, allowing both freelancers and clients to grow together over time. For clients, Contra makes it easy to discover skilled professionals without hidden costs or long hiring processes. In terms of legitimacy, Contra partners with real companies, from startups to established brands, and many freelancers have shared positive experiences about timely payments and transparent communication. It's available globally, though some projects may cater more to specific regions or time zones. Still, the platform continues to expand its reach, and with remote work becoming more common, opportunities keep growing. Overall, Contra truly lives up to its promise of offering real freelance jobs with 0% fees. It provides a clean, user friendly platform that focuses on connection, transparency, and fair pay. If you're tired of losing a chunk of your income to platform charges, or you're just looking for a simpler way to manage freelance work, Contra is a solid choice that gives you full control over your projects and profits.